Are you an ambitious person who has always had a plan and who has always worked hard for his career? If yes, then I have a book that has a message for you. Hi guys, I'm Manpreet, and in today's video I'm going to review a book which is The Undomestic Goddess by Sophie Kinsella. Now this book is about a woman who is a lawyer, and she's a very successful lawyer working in the most prestigious law firm. Her name is Samantha, and she has worked really very hard, and now she is going to get the promotion of her career where she is going to become the senior partner. But right when the day comes, she makes a mistake, and she just walks away from her entire lawyer life, and she ends up in a small village where she ends up in a house and ultimately becomes their housemaid. Basically, this is a woman who doesn't know anything about household. She doesn't know how to cook, how to clean, how to wash, how to do the laundry, anything, and she ends up being the person who would be responsible for doing all of that. So the story is basically very simple, very predictable, and basically her adventures with this housemaid stuff. Okay, now talking about the plot of this book, I already said that it's very predictable. You will just know what is going to happen next. You can guess every single thing in the book, and for me, I would have hated a book which has such a predictable plot, but still I gave this book 5 out of 5 stars. If you follow me on Goodreads, you would see that I gave it 5 out of 5 stars, even when I said that with a plot like this I would not give any book 5 out of 5 stars, but this book deserves a 5. Now why is that so? Let me tell you in this video. The actual thing about this book is the message from the plot, the message from the entire book is that sometimes, most of the times actually, the millennials, the people who are ambitious and career oriented, they just forget to live. They just forget to notice all the small moments which really mean a lot. And Samantha actually comes from a family which is entirely like that, career oriented. So she never even feels like, okay, I'm missing something out in my life. And I think that's the case with each one of us. Our parents are so much about we have to get a good career, we have to get settled and all that things, and ultimately we forget to live. So this book has a beautiful message, and I really appreciate how author portrayed everything and how the author got the message out. Trust me, there was a point in the book when I was like, now this author is damned. Now what is she making her do? She cannot justify, and she does it so beautifully in the end, in just like 2-3 lines. And I was like, wow, that's the author I want to read for the entire life of mine, because it's so inspiring. It's a book that really flickers a light in you and make you realize a lot of things that you should realize. So that was me about the plot of this book. That was me about how any ambitious career oriented person should read this, because ultimately you are living your life, and this book makes you realize that you have to live your life before you live the life of the person you really want to make yourself be. And I don't know if that made sense, but let me tell you about the characters. So the main character is Samantha, and if you're a working person, if you work on a job, you would be able to relate with this character very well. She is actually an overperformer. She's a really a good performer, and then suddenly she makes a mistake, and all that confidence just blows away, and she just gets away from that life, and her dilemma of what she needs to do and what she doesn't need to do, and everything is so familiar and so good. You will be able to connect with this woman. And then after that, there are so many characters in this book which play a good role. For example, the people who hire Samantha to look after their house, they are like really hilarious people, really dumb and hilarious people. So it's really nice to just have a look at them. And then there is also a guy in this book who is also really nice. Every single character plays a very good part, and you will be able to relate with all of the characters, and each character would be like would resonate in your heart, and would resonate with your feelings, thoughts and everything, no matter the character is of what kind. So there are characters which are in village, and there are characters which are in the city, and the author does a very well job of differentiating how their lives are, how their thinking is, and everything like that. So I love the characters in the book as well. And the writing style, I cannot say anything about the writing style. This is my first book of Sophie Kinsella, and I am so impressed. Like, I have seen this author drag things and make it look so slow, so nice, so summerish book, and in the end she does a big job in just like this much words. So this is a very talented author who can make one scene in like 100 pages maybe, or make 100 scenes in one page, because that is something I could see in this book happening. Like some scenes which she wanted us to live, she made us live that. Some scenes which she wanted to just make the point and make it hit hard, she did that in just a few lines, and that too was so amazing. You will thoroughly enjoy this book. It's like the book you really want to read. I am telling you right now, you really want to read this book, not me, okay? So a celebrity decided to make the appearance and shake the camera off. But anyways, I would give this book 5 out of 5 stars, and I totally loved it. You need to read it right now. Order this. Please do that, because this book is the one anybody needs in his life. I am so impressed with this book that there were like 3 more reviews that I needed to do, and those were in my priority list. Well, this book wasn't, but I was like, this book needs to get to you first, so it's up to you to decide. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this review, do share it with other people, because if you think you may not need it, there would be a lot of people, a lot of professionals who might need it, because they need to realize how they are not living their life properly. So let them know that. Share this video. And if you like my video, make sure you subscribe and hit thumbs up. I always do this first, I don't know why. Anyways, this is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.